Okay. Hi, so we have another third generation entrepreneur with us today, Dhruv from GS Export. His grandfather was probably one of the biggest traders of peanuts, so is his father's company, and now the young Dhruv wants to do peanut, unlike many other of his friends who are probably doing IT. So Dhruv, what make, makes you come into the commodity trade and leave all the hanky-panky and the fancy stuff around?
Well, I feel India has a huge potential in terms of all agricultural commodities, especially with the population growing. Not only exports, but the local demand has been increasing, and that's what gets me intrigued every time because it's an ever-growing market. There is no stopping, food items. People will keep consuming. Uh, the better side of this business that I am more interested on is getting into more branding because people in India are getting more educated. Therefore, the traditional lives where the women would used to cook and all that's changing. So it's more fast-paced eating and stuff. So yeah, snack industry in India would be increasing in huge volumes, and that's what drove me here, and I'm thinking to work on that slowly.
That's a lovely answer. Smart mind on a very young shoulder. And tell me more, is India ready for that subtle change from a commodity market to a value added market in terms of the product that you handle, peanuts?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, the peanut butter industry in India itself is starting to boom right now. Uh, it's always been like we've adopted the Western culture, wherein whatever goes there, we try to adopt that. And slowly, we've seen a lot of Indian brands that are coming into peanut butter industry, like Amul is there. Then Mr. Ruparil's company is a huge peanut butter making industry, but not only peanut butter, as in like peanut snacks, the coated peanuts. Then yeah, I mean, just for peanuts, these are the markets, and yeah, of course, India is ready to accept it because I mean, why not? The young generations love snacking, so.
Oh, definitely they do. So thank you for the insight and thank you, young man, for your time. We look forward to seeing you again. And by the way, how do you like the meetup? We are having this after a year and a half. How was your first experience on this one?
Honestly, it's a great platform for networking, and I would recommend if there are any more young generation who's into this. It would be great to meet you all here, and it's an amazing platform to meet people like you, and yeah, I mean you meet all the. I mean, I'm just so
You meet all
flattered.
your father's friends, huh?
Yeah, and there's a lot to learn. I mean, a lot of people doing different things, and yeah.
Thank you, gentlemen. So this was our young man, and thank you. Thank you so much.